In the next step, I'm going to create a new cut extrusion by making this rectangle at the top face of this part. I'm going to click at the top face and adjust it to my view, something like this. And I'm going to click on a sketch, select rectangle. I'm going to draw an arbitrary rectangle like this, and then click on a Smart Dimension to dimension it. First click at the top edge. You can see that it is equal to 48 by looking at the dimensions on the drawing. It is equal to 48 millimeter. And also the other edge is equal to 36 millimeter. 36. You can see that it is equal to 36, which is this dimension. All right, and click on OK. Now I'm going to adjust the position of this rectangle by click on the Smart Dimension again. The distance from this edge to this edge is equal to 21 millimeter. And also the distance from the top edge to this top edge. I should click on a Smart Dimension again. And this distance is also equal to 12 millimeter. Click on OK. Now you can see that the length of cut extrusion is equal to 80 because I need to cut extrude this rectangle. I just need to click on features and select extruded cut, which is this button. Again, you can see that it should be cut extruded up to 80 millimeter, as you can see, which is this length. And click on OK. In the next step of making this part, I'm going to click at this face. I'm going to make this a step that you can see in isometric view of this part. I just need to click at this face and adjust it to my view again by holding Ctrl key and pressing 8, and then click on a sketch, make an arbitrary rectangle again, starting from this point to, for example, this point. I'm going to dimension this new rectangle by click on a Smart Dimension again. This edge is equal to 12 millimeter. All right. And then click on features. And it should be extruded up to 9 millimeter. You can see the 9 millimeter here. This is the height of this rectangle. And then if I click on features first, and then click on extruded bus base, I'm going to select the length of extrusion equal to 9. And then click on OK. Now I'm going to select this face and adjust it to my view again. And then click on a sketch and click on line drop-down menu. Select the center line this time, and I'm going to try to make a center line starting from the midpoint of the left edge. Select it, and then to to the midpoint of the right edge of this face, which is this one. It automatically appears if you move your cursor on the other edge. And there's a center line. In the next step, I'm going to click on this face again and create an arbitrary rectangle at the top face. So I'm going to click on Smart Dimension. The top edge should be equal to 80 millimeter. And this edge is also I should click on a Smart Dimension again. This edge is equal to 6. And the distance from the left edge of this circle to this one is equal to 12. And click on OK. Now I'm going to click on Mirror Entities because I want to mirror this rectangle with respect to the center line that I sketched before. If I click on Mirror Entities and select for the first box entities to mirror, just select this rectangle, 4 lines of this rectangle are automatically selected, and then for the next box, mirror about, click on this box and select the center line. And then click on OK. Then you can see that the top rectangle was mirrored about this center line. And now I have 2 rectangles. And then click on Features and click on Cut, Extruded Cut. Now I can extrude both rectangles together. I just need to, you can see an arrow here. If I click on this arrow, I can drag it. I'm going to drag it until it passes other side of the part. And then click on OK. All right. Now I'm done with making this part.